Hey guys, welcome back to D Squared.
So for today's video, we will be using the new Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette.
So if you want to see how we created these looks, keep watching. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you know whenever we post. And let's get right into the video. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption of the video, but this week's video is sponsored by Limitless Jewelry.
And if you guys use the code D Squared, you guys get 20% off your purchase.
So go shop online and let's get right into the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you know whenever we post, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace out.